Welcome back, students. I am Bhavna, and today we are going to add some tables to our document in LibreOffice Writer. Table allows large amount of text and numbers to be presented in a way which is organized and easy to read. Sports statistics, address, math formulas, and many other documents often incorporate tables to share information. So, a table consists of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and columns form cells. You can enter text, numbers, or graphics in a cell. So, how do we draw a table in Writer? Number 1. Place your cursor in the document where you want to insert the table. Number 2. Click the Insert Table icon from the standard toolbar. Number 3. Drag your mouse over the squares diagram to select the desired number of columns and rows in the table. Number 4. Click your mouse and then a table will appear in the document. Number 5. Now you can enter text into the table. You can also insert table into the document by using the following steps. Number 1. Select Table tab. Then insert table. Number 2. Enter table name and number of columns and rows. Number 3. Select style from the styles option. Number 4. Click insert button. So normally the height of row and width of a column in the writer are automatically set, but you can change this according to your needs. So to adjust the height of row and the width of the column in a table, move the mouse next to the edge of the cell, and when the double-headed arrow appears, click and hold the left mouse button. Drag the border to the desired position and just release the mouse. You can also align the text in table. The text is by default aligned in the top of the cell. To change the alignment of the text in a cell, follow the given steps. Number 1. Click the cell in which you want to change the alignment of the text. Number 2. Select Format tab and then click on Align. A context menu will appear. Number 3. Select the desired alignment as per your need. Let's now insert some rows in our table. To insert a row in the table, follow the given steps. Number 1. Place the cursor in a column adjacent to the location where you want to add a new row. Number 2. Right-click the mouse. A context menu will appear. Number 3. Select Insert option and a drop-down list will appear. Number 4. Select Rows above or Rows below option. Number 5. A new row will appear. Similarly, to insert a column in the table, follow the given steps. Number 1. Place the insertion point in a column adjacent to the location where you want to add a new column. Now, right-click the mouse. A context menu will appear. Then select the Insert option and a drop-down list will appear. Select Columns Before or Columns After option. Then a new column will appear. So there are times where we need to delete a row or column in the table. How to do it? Steps to delete a row or column from a table are as follows. Number 1. Select the row or column which you want to delete. Now, right-click the mouse and a context menu will appear. Then select the Delete option and a drop-down list will appear. From there, select rows or columns, and then a row or column will be deleted. Great. Now we have a table added to our document. Now let's add some border around the page. Border is an outer edge of a document or a separator which is used to divide the whole document in several sections. LibreOffice Writer allows you to place a border on any or all of the 4 sides of the table. Shading is the coloring of an illustration or diagram with parallel lines or a block of color. By adding a border around a text box, paragraph, or the entire document, you can enhance the appearance of your document. Borders and shading tool makes the job much easier and neater. So steps to add border and shading on page or a paragraph are as follows. Number 1. Select the Format tab and click Page option. A page style, default style dialog box will appear. Number 2. In this dialog box, select Line Arrangement, line width and color for border. For shading, do the modification in Shadow style. Number 3. Click OK button. Wow, our document looks enhanced. Let's now talk about another of Writer's very useful feature, the mail merge. Sometimes you may need to send similar letter to a large number of people, but each version of letter is not exactly same. So you may need to sit for hours to draft each letter individually. So normally the mail content of such letters remain the same and only the specific information changes, such as the name, address of the recipients. Mail merge feature enables you to generate a set of forms or letters, etc., containing similar information that can be sent to a group of people. To use a mail merge system, you have to first store a set of information like a list of names and addresses in one file. In another file, you have to write a letter, substituting special symbols in place of names and addresses. Steps to start the mail merge wizard to create letters or send email messages to many recipients are as follows. Click on Tools tab. Now click on Mail Merge Wizard option. Mail Merge Wizard dialog box will appear. Now select Starting Document. Click one of the following options. Use the current document to use the current writer document as the base for the mail merge document. Create a new document to create a new writer document to use for the mail merge. Start from existing document to select an existing writer document to use as the base for the mail merge document. Start from a template to select the template that you want to create your mail merge document with. Or start from a recently saved starting document, use an existing mail merge document as the base for a new mail merge document. Click the Next button. Now select document type that you want to create. Letter creates a printable mail merge document that allows you to send letters to a group of people and personalize the result of the letter that each person receives. Email messages creates mail merge documents that you can send as an email message or an email attachment. Click Letter and then select the Next button. Next up, insert address block. It specifies the recipients of the mail merge document as well as the layout of the address block. Now click on Select Address List button, which will open Select Address List dialog box. Here you can choose a data source for the addresses, add a new address or type in an address list. Click on OK button of the Select Address List. Now click on the Next button of Mail Merge Wizard. Let's now create a salutation. Specify the properties for the salutation. If the mail merge database contains gender information, you can specify different salutations based on the gender of the recipient. It has many options as follows. Insert personalized salutation. It adds a personalized salutation to the mail merge document. And to use the default salutation, clear this checkbox. Use female to insert personalized greeting for a female recipient. Use male to insert the personalized greeting for a male recipient. Now select the field name of the address database field that contains the gender information. field value that indicates the gender of the recipient. So general salutation for default salutation that is used when you do not specify a personalized salutation. You can now also adjust the layout. It has many options like align to text, body, from left, from top, up and down, and zoom. Now you can minimize the wizard to edit the main mail merge document. Once done with the editing, click Finish to exit the wizard. Select the Print Merge Documents option to send the merged document directly to the printer. Now select Save Merge Documents options to save the document and send email messages to send the document. In this video, we added some tables to our documents. We also enhanced the appearance of our document by adding borders and shading. Finally, the mail merge feature was used to create multiple mails from a single document. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, this is Bhavna signing off. Have a great day.